Chief Secretary D.P. Waklang yesterday informed that 10 general observers have been deployed on 21st February to oversee the Khadc and Jhadc elections. A total of 114 candidates are contesting the Jhadc elections, including 107 male and 7 female candidates, while 158 candidates are contesting the Khadc elections with 146 male and 12 female candidates. Khadc will have 1,669 polling stations. Jhadc will have 477 polling stations. The total voter count in Khadc is 9,96,518, while Jhadc has 3,12,300 voters. The largest constituency in Khadc is Maulai, with 49,841 voters, while the smallest is Jaya with 17,148 voters. In Jhadc, the largest is Mutlong Sokmpor with 14,167 voters, and the smallest is Sumer with 8,305 voters.
So we have a total of 10 general observers who will be moving around on the 21st of February, and we have the total number of 114 candidates, 114 candidates for Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council, out of which 107 are male and 7 are female. In Khadc Hills District Council, we have a total of 158 candidates, out of which 146 are male and female, about 12 numbers. The smallest constituency in Khadc Hills is in Jaya. It's only about 17,148.